In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs API. We'll walk through generating a secure API key in ElevenLabs and tailoring its access so it fits your project while protecting your account. Start by heading to the ElevenLabs homepage. Once you're in the app, look to the left sidebar and open the Developers section. From there, go to API Keys. This is where all your keys live and where you'll create a new one. Click Create Key. Give your key a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize what it's used for later. Next, set restrictions. This matters for both security and cost control. Under the credit refresh period, choose how and when usage resets so you don't accidentally overspend. Now decide exactly which endpoints this key can access. Keep it as minimal as possible for the task at hand. If you're building a voice generator, enable text-to-speech. If you're transforming recorded speech into another voice, enable speech-to-speech. If you need transcription or voice understanding, allow speech to text. You'll also see options related to administration. Only enable these if the key genuinely needs to manage resources or settings. History lets the key read past generations, which is useful for analytics or auditing. Models access helps if your app needs to list or select specific voice models. Pronunciation dictionaries are helpful when you need consistent handling of names or technical terms. Again, only turn on what you'll use. For security hardening, consider restricting by IP address so the key only works from trusted servers. You can also enable auto-disable if leaked, which will pause the key automatically if it appears publicly, protecting your credits and data. When you're happy with the settings, click Create Key to finalize and confirm if prompted. After the key is created, click Copy to Clipboard. Store it in a secure place like environment variables or a secrets manager and never share it publicly. That's it. You now have a scoped, secure ElevenLabs API key ready to use in your application.